Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be taking you on a tour around Enugu city. So we'll be starting this tour from Enugu Abakaliki Express Road close to ShopRite. So we are starting this particular tour from IMT Polo. So all I need you to do is to stay back and watch this video to the end, as I will be showing you the recent development happening right here in the city of Enugu and how the city of Enugu looks in December 2024. I know most of you traveled away from Nigeria for so many years and you don't know how Enugu looks like in 2024. And that is one of the reasons why I'm making this video, to show you the current developments happening in Enugu. Now we'll be cutting across different locations, different special locations in Enugu. Where we are heading to is the Enugu Port Harcourt Express Road close to New Artisan. That is where we'll be ending this video from. But now we are starting it from Enugu Abakaliki Express Road. Now we are heading straight down to Otigba. Like I said before, this particular video is going to cut across Enugu Abakaliki Express Road. It's going to cut across New Haven Junction. It's going to cut across Ogui Road, Ogui Junction, Otigba Junction, Bisala Road, and Independence Layout, and a whole lot of that. So on the course of this video, I'm going to show you some new developments that has happened so far in Enugu State, Nigeria. So we are very close to Ogui Junction. If you take the roundabout right straight down, you'll be going to 82 Division, but we are going to be taking our right down to Otigba Junction. Now this is what is happening right here in the city of Enugu. You can see how beautiful it looks like. We have a lot of lounge, we have a lot of fast food area, we have a lot of new buildings that have been built in this part of Enugu State right now. So by the left is the computer village, as you all know, where they sell laptops, they sell phones and gadgets. Now we are currently at Fire Service bus stop, heading down to Otigba Junction. So all I will need you to do is to sit back and enjoy this drive while I show you all around Enugu State. Now we are at Otigba Junction. You can see it. You can see the sculpture there. You can see that it represents the reason why they call this particular junction Otigba. So if you take by your right or straight down, you'll be going to Ogui Road, right? But we are going to Independence Layout, and that is why we are taking this particular route. Now, why you see most of these vehicles going through one way is because they are constructing. There's a construction that they are doing right at New Haven Junction. You can see it. They are running a massive construction right here at New Haven Junction, and it's going to be ready before the celebration of Christmas, right? So we are heading down to Bisala Road, where we have a lot of beautiful features right there. So most of the features you used to know before has been renovated, some of them has left there, and new features are now in Enugu State. Now we are very close to Bisala Junction. If you take the right, you'll be going to Bisala Road, and if you take through the roundabout, you'll be going down to Independence Layout, and that is where the Independence Layout, the Interchange at Independence Layout, that's where it's located. And we also have some other hotels located there. We have the Martel Hotel, we have Omedel Hotel, and we also have some other hospitals that are still in that location. You see by the right here is Roban Stores. Yeah, Roban Stores is still one of the fast booming stores where you can do your shopping and get your groceries and every other things you need, right? So we are heading down to Independence Layout, and we are going to be going through the government house, yeah, cutting through Okpara Square and some other areas right here in the city of Enugu State. So we are headed down to one of my best parts in Enugu State. You can see the statue, the lion statue, which symbolizes courage and bravery. Now by the left, it leads us to Government House. Now we will not be taking there because where we are heading to is New Artisan. We are heading down to Enugu Port Harcourt Express Road. Now we are heading through, we are going to pass through Okpara Avenue. Now if you take the right, that's where you find the International Conference Center, of which is almost 100% completed. Now this is Okpara Avenue, as you all know, and this is one of the best parts in Enugu State. So by the right is Unity Park. Now currently there have been a lot of decorations, a lot of constructions going inside this Unity Park. Now they are preparing it for the celebration. They are preparing it for Christmas period, where people can come in and relax and enjoy themselves, and that is why they are putting in a lot of work in preparing that particular place. Now we are currently at the junction that links us down to New Artisan, links us also to WAEC. As we just crossed, now we just crossed Toscana. I know a lot of you must know this particular area called Toscana. So if this is the first time of coming across my videos, do well to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and do well to like and comment and also share this particular video. Now if there are any other areas in Enugu State that you want us to show you how it looks like, you want us to have it all around it, do well to drop it on the comment section also. Now let's continue our journey down to Enugu Port Harcourt Express Road. So I believe you are all enjoying this video because we are almost close to the end of the video, right? We are heading now straight to New Artisan, heading down to Goshen Estate, and also that will link us down to the Enugu Port Harcourt Express Road. So I know a lot of people don't know this particular location, and this is why I'm bringing it to you so that you see it for the first time. Now we are in the Enugu Port Harcourt Express Road, headed down to the junction that links to the Coal City Alliance Estate. You can see the whole of Enugu, they are just running constructions almost in the whole of Enugu State, and I'm so happy that this development is coming into Enugu, and that is why if you've not gotten a property right here in the city of Enugu, do well to buy at least one or two property right here in the city of Enugu. Now there's a property that is on trend now in Enugu State, and we all know that this particular property is something that will do so well by next year. They call it Blossom Gardens Estate. We also have the Coal City Alliance Estate. All these two properties are owned by the Enugu State Housing Development Corporation. Now, this is the junction that links us to Coal City Alliance Estate. Now, we'll drop more updates on Coal City Alliance Estate. So if you want to know more about it, drop it on the comment section so that we can give you more information about this particular estate. Thank you guys for watching this video to the end. I really appreciate, and I'll bring you more videos like this in subsequent time. Thank you for watching.